All right, Swope here, showing you another case where Desmos can be a very helpful thing. If you see a question where it says it's a system of equations, or they give you a problem, you have two different equations given to you, and they're asking you to find solutions or solve it, or what values make it true, or what points would be on your system. They can word it in different ways, but if you see two equations, what you're going to want to do for this one is most likely, I mean, this is the easiest way by far, is use Desmos. What you're going to do is just graph both of these equations on separate lines. So try and type better than I am right now, but it'd be y equals 3x minus 2, y equals x squared. I recommend you type it exactly like it looks. And you can make this full screen. I mean, sometimes you'll see it, like you can click and drag around. You can kind of pinch like you would on your phone on your trackpad to zoom in or out. I recommend you practice this before Tuesday. But if you click where it crosses here and here. So you could write this down on your scrap paper. Or if you zoom out and you can still click on those dots, just be careful because sometimes your solutions are always going to be gray dots on Desmos, but sometimes they can be kind of close. So sometimes just make sure you zoom in, make sure where you're clicking is where they actually intersect or where your lines are kind of meeting each other. But we would have two answers. So we'd have 1, 1, and we'd have 2, 4. The order you put them in doesn't matter. Like if I did 2, 4 on the top, 1, 1 on the bottom, that's fine. Just make sure you put them, both of the solutions if it asks. I've seen these questions too, where sometimes they'll just ask you for a single solution if there's more than one, or sometimes they only cross in one spot, like you have straight lines. But if you see a system, really easy question to do in Desmos. So definitely, if you see one of these, make sure you do this because these should be easy questions to pick up when you're taking your EOC.